big subwoofer port. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Can you tell me your name real quick and what's in here?
I'm John Allen, and I have ZV6 Sundown 18s on a Sundown 8K.
Wow, who built the box?
A guy in Blackshear named Mike Jury.
Mike Jerry, okay.
Yeah.
Looks really good.
Appreciate it.
Do you know what your subs wire to?
They're half on.
Half on. Okay.
Yeah, half on.
What's your lithium and alternator power?
I'm not 100% sure, but I have 4 banks.
4 banks of lithium?
Lithium.
Okay. Very nice. Is there a way I can see the back real quick, the box and all? I'd like to see how, it's a really big box. Wow. Is that a 12? Yeah. Well, that's a big subwoofer port. Do you know your tuning on this?
39 hertz.
39 hertz? Okay,
Yeah.
right under 40. Very nice.
Very nice.
It looks really good.
Thank you.
Nice. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the walk around we just got of John's system. An impressive no-wall system with a dual subwoofer setup. Looking forward to showing you all how it sounds. This was at a local Dublin, Georgia, near Macon, Georgia show in 2021, Small Town Showdown, with a huge 12-inch AEORPORT. Very rare to see a lot of systems with the 12-inch size, so be sure to give them a thumbs up if you haven't already. Did a really good job showcasing it at the local show, as well as if you haven't already, comment if you haven't already, let him know some positive things you like about his system. Definitely has come a long way the last few years since I met him at his first show a few years ago, and I really like that he has the subwoofers facing up, AEORPORT back. Definitely optimized his box space to be able to be right at the window line for SPL competing, and that's probably the most efficient way to lay out in his Tahoe, having subs up, port facing back. And I already mentioned with the huge 12-inch AEORPORT. And lastly, running this powerful amplifier at half ohm is pushing these subs pretty much to their limit to break apart this Tahoe in this demo. So we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. He's going to play 2 songs. One of the songs I know the name of is In the Air Tonight. You'll see when I show you on the stereo head unit. And I try to put all of the information about systems in the description. So I hope you enjoy and appreciate all the information I always try to include in all of my videos. Consider subscribing if you haven't already for daily cardio videos coming your way every day until I run out. And enjoy this bass demo. It's crazy loud. thank you very much, man.
Not a problem, man.
Thank you very much. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.